hope this tape works good. So yeah, I think day 10. Ah, yeah! This is cutting up glass fibre into strips to put around the back of the trunk to protect the spare wheel from the fuel lines or any fuel that may leak in the back there. This is basically to seal up the under tray where the spare wheel goes.
I've been running from the mirror's truth, hiding from the things I outgrew. But time's a teacher, soft and kind, shows the beauty I left behind. Golden skin, I'm learning again, to love the woman I've always been. Notice the sky, notice no.
So these were supposed to be seats and a seat squabbing out. I'm probably going to take these out completely. One, I don't be doing the upholstery. I mean, they probably would work if I really worked with it, but there's so much engineering got to happen, I don't want to do it. So I will probably leave the wood and make these things that tip up into, they go into a box, they tip up so you can lock them in with a bar, and that way it'll stop cargo from running forward. And then in here there'll be a box where you can put other stuff, so we'll make it more of a storage area back here with a piece of wood like that, so it's completely flat if you want it completely flat. But if you want to bring it up, you can bring it up and lock maybe these into the side so it stops cargo from running forward. Bad it is under here. Have it completely flat, and then I am going to try and take this off too. Yeah, this is going to come off. I'm going to take all this stuff off, take the hinges off, clean all this out, and then all this whole area is going to get painted very light grey. The last person at the factory put that bit of tape down before it came to America. Because this is all like, this is after the fact. Like the inside that's put in by hand, it's not really straight. Not the nice stuff like that,
bring you down to break you. So make up your mind, be ready for it. Don't ever quit, cause you'll get only one shot.
Well, I gotta say, thing about this car project here is that I sat on there for a couple of years, just had it in my house, keep looking at it every day, and it just gave me like, oh man, I gotta work on this thing. It was just too much. But hey, somehow overcame that and started working on it really hard. So I'm at day 64, 65 right now. I'm not retired, but I got fired, so I need to do something, and it's sitting in the house. So I decided I should probably just start working on it. So just you got something going on in your life or a project, go fix it, make it happen. So easy to sort of procrastinate, not do anything, or hang around in the house and not do anything. So I make myself come out in the shed every day and work on this thing. And it's a very unusual car. It's an old Jaguar XJS. We cut the roof off and made it into a wagon. So whatever you're doing, don't give in. If you've got a project in the house, or you're going to build something in the house, or you've got to do some sort of hobby, don't procrastinate. Go out there and go do it. And you know what's easy about this? Not much. Not when you're by yourself. I've got to slide it in there, I've got to get it up on a jack, and then once I do get it in there, it's not too bad. Getting it underneath the car, getting it on the jack, well, that's just going to be the fun bit.